साइन आज हम लोग एक्शन वर्ब सीखेंगे. ओके.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
Can you run fast?
Can you run fast?
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
Who are you helping?
Who are you helping?
I am helping my friend.
I am helping my friend.
What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
I am cooking pasta.
I am cooking pasta.
What is this?
What is this?
This is a doll.
This is a doll.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
I am eating cake.
I am eating cake.
Are you washing your hands?
Are you washing your hands?
Yes, I am washing my hands.
Yes, I am washing my hands.
What are you planting?
What are you planting?
I am planting flowers.
I am planting flowers.
What are you making?
What are you making?
I am making my bed.
I am making my bed.
Are you studying?
Are you studying?
Yes, I am studying for my test.
Yes, I am studying for my test.
Are you watering the plants?
Are you watering the plants?
Yes, I am watering the plants.
Yes, I am watering the plants.
Can you tie your shoes?
Can you tie your shoes?
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I am brushing my teeth.
Yes, I am brushing my teeth.
Are you cleaning the house?
Are you cleaning the house?
Yes, I am cleaning the house.
Yes, I am cleaning the house.
What are you packing?
What are you packing?
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
Are you ironing your clothes?
Are you ironing your clothes?
Yes, I am ironing my clothes.
Yes, I am ironing my clothes.
What are you learning in school?
What are you learning in school?
I am learning math.
I am learning math.
Can you write your name?
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name.
Yes, I can write my name.
Are you playing soccer?
Are you playing soccer?
Yes, I am playing soccer.
Yes, I am playing soccer.
Can you read this book?
Can you read this book?
Yes, I can read this book.
Yes, I can read this book.
Are you coloring the picture?
Are you coloring the picture?
Yes, I am coloring the picture.
Yes, I am coloring the picture.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I am fine.
I am fine.
What are you drawing?
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a cat.
I am drawing a cat.
Are you singing?
Are you singing?
Yes, I am singing a song.
Yes, I am singing a song.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am playing with my doll.
I am playing with my doll.
Are you dancing?
Are you dancing?
Yes, I am dancing to the music.
Yes, I am dancing to the music.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim the pool.
Yes, I can swim the pool.
Are you listening?
Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening carefully.
Yes, I am listening carefully.
What are you writing?
What are you writing?
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
What are you painting?
What are you painting?
I am painting a house.
I am painting a house.
Can you climb the tree?
Can you climb the tree?
Yes, I can climb the tree.
Yes, I can climb the tree.
Who are you calling?
Who are you calling?
I am calling my mom.
I am calling my mom.
Are you laughing?
Are you laughing?
Yes, I am laughing at the joke.
Yes, I am laughing at the joke.
Can you ride a bike?
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Can you play the piano?
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Yes, I can play the piano.
Are you baking cookies?
Are you baking cookies?
Yes, I am baking cookies.
Yes, I am baking cookies.
Where are you sleeping?
Where are you sleeping?
I am sleeping on my bed.
I am sleeping on my bed.
Are you feeding the dog?
Are you feeding the dog?
Yes, I am feeding the dog.
Yes, I am feeding the dog.
Can you count to 10?
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can count to 10.
Yes, I can count to 10.
What are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
I am wearing my red shirt.
I am wearing my red shirt.
Are you watching TV?
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I am watching cartoons.
Yes, I am watching cartoons.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Yes, I can help you.
Are you clapping your hands?
Are you clapping your hands?
Yes, I am clapping my hands.
Yes, I am clapping my hands.
Are you opening the door?
Are you opening the door?
Yes, I am opening the door.
Yes, I am opening the door.
What are you drinking?
What are you drinking?
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
Where are you sitting?
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the chair.
I am sitting on the chair.
Can you open the book?
Can you open the book?
Yes, I can open the book.
Yes, I can open the book. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.